How to change your online status in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the active status. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. Now, we're in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes. Here on the top, tap on privacy. Now, slowly scroll down. Here on the second option there is hide your online status, so make sure you simply tap on it and turn it on. So as you can see, the feature has been turned on. Now other friends and people that are added with you will not be able to find out if you are online or not. Now you can simply go back and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.